She took a rolled up 20 out of her pocket and paid for my cigarettes. We were friends at first sight in 7-Eleven light. She said, here, let me cover it. I rode shotgun all through that night. She drove and never made a sound. I asked her if there was anything wrong. She said, nothing worth talking about. It's a blue Sunday down the interstate. Yeah, blue Sunday, blue with shades of gray. A backseat could have been a hotel. I slept for 1,000 years. Every now and then she'd laugh out loud for no reason, pretended not to hear. I rolled my jacket up under my head and stretched my body out. Couldn't be too far in front of her daddy's bloodhounds, but I ain't gonna worry now. It's a blue Sunday down the interstate. Yeah, blue Sunday, blue with shades of gray. A blue Sunday, we never met before. It's a blue Sunday, when it's time to leave you go. Hey there, folks. Welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. We're going to do one of my favorite songs now, Blue Sunday by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, of course, off the last DJ album, also one of my favorite Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers albums. I've watched Tom play this on video, and I don't think he's using a capo like I am, but I'm not really sure. Maybe Mike is, or maybe there's other guitars, but I like the voicing with a capo on 3. So I have a capo on the 3rd fret. I'm going to call the chords with the capo on. You can play along to the record with these chords with the capo, but there's definitely other ways to play this. So Tom may not be playing it this way. But anyway, it's the way I like to play it, so I'm going to teach it this way. The guitar is in standard tuning. So we're going to start with basically a G chord, kind of a variation. I'm going to play a little 2-finger G chord. I'm going to play the low E and the high E at the 3rd fret. So kind of something like that. But you're going to add, to get that beautiful sound, on the B string, 2nd string, you're going to add the 2nd fret, the C sharp note there with the capo. So you're going to do that and kind of pull on and off. So lovely. And then we're going to go to a D chord, but walk down the D. So we're going to play walk down on the 3rd string, 2, open, on the 4th string, 4. So 2, open, 4. So I'm just going to maintain the D with that little walk down. So again, one more time. The G with that little C sharp added. To a D. Little walk down. Then we're going to go to an A chord. I'm going to play the A here. I'm going to voice it at the 5th fret, just like an F major 7th shape, a little ladder at the 5th fret. So you got the high E ringing, you got the A open. I just like the voicing of that. And you're going to take that down to a G, which would be, I guess, a G over A, because you're keeping that F major 7th shape at the 3rd fret. So we'll call it a G over A. You could play an A chord and a G chord if you want, but I just think these voicings sound better. And then you repeat that A, back to the G, and now it's a Blue Sunday. This part, we're going to do regular open chords. D, Blue Sunday, and A, B minor. I'm playing that barred on the 2nd fret to a G, and then you repeat that. So it's a D, A, B minor, to a G, and then you resolve to a D. And then you go back into that G, same kind of little phrase, to a D. Now we'll just go up to the A, to a G, over A if you want it. Back to the A. I'm just taking you through it again, to a G. We'll do it one more time. It's a D, A, B minor, to G. Yeah, D, to an A, B minor, to G, and we'll just resolve to D. And then you got the outro as the intro. And we'll end it there, folks. That is such a beautiful, lovely song, Blue Sunday. Very short song by Tom. Probably one of his shorter songs. I've never kind of compared them all, but it's got to be one of his shorter songs. Definitely one of his most beautiful songs. So thanks again, folks, for checking out Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Should be here next week again for another Tom Petty song. I really appreciate your support, your likes, your comments, all that. It's a lot of fun doing this, and hopefully we got some more to go. So everybody take care. Everybody stay safe. Have a great night. I'll see you soon.